Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be touring my friend's hostel in Anand, and I'm going to show you some houses around in the society, the way how it looks like and everything. So I'm now in this society. I think it's called the Nikiti something. It's quite a little small society with some people around, very few people. So right now, moving to my friend's room. We are going to take a quick room tour, and then let me know what you think about houses in India. Well, let's enter the house. Yeah, so this is the room. This is my guy Nick, the one who stays here. He's preparing some omelette, and yeah, that's all cooking stuff. That's all the cooking stuff. And then so there are some rooms up. So here is the first room, but it's locked. Someone stays here, so it's locked. And then here is the guy's room. Well, he wasn't prepared for us, so his bed is not done and everything. So out here is the society from which he stays. As you can see guys, that's the whole the society there and there. This is his little balcony where he sees the sunrise from and everything. Yeah, I think it's the sunset. Well, let's continue and see other parts of the room. Well, I'm very black, hope I'm visible. Yeah, so in India the fans have to be on because it's always hot. Well, I'm only putting on a sweater because I was traveling on the bike. Then the room is self-contained. There is a bathroom around. This is the bathroom. Well, you get your the toilet and everything, the mirror, then the sink and everything you need for taking a shower and stuff. So guys, let's move around. So that's his room. Then this is the room. Then moving up the steps. Woo. There is this little fence separate the neighbors and everything. These places, and some people do sleep on such areas. Well, here there's some plants. Well, some people do sleep over here, especially during summertime because it's always hot. As you can see, that's why you see the neighbor's floor very clean. Yeah, this is my guy's place. Well, this is another fence, and some people also stay that side. And then over there are fields for plantations. As you can see, there is a sort of a banana plantation, and then I think that's a yams plantation, something like that maybe. Then this is the other part of the society, the neighbors and everyone. Well, it's quite a nice place. Sunset. Yeah, hope guys, that's it. So over there I can see the other parts of the society. Well, this field is a bit cleared. I think some farming is going to take place over there. Then there are other parts of the society. I can see some hospital that side. I don't know whether guys can see it. Let me try to zoom in. Yeah, I'm saying Ankasha Hospital, something like that. Whew, hope you see it guys. Yep. Well guys, that's it in Anand. Wow, so far we've seen The house is in Anand. Well, let's move down. We left our guy cooking for us an omelette and enjoy it with him and have a nice day. So right now I'm going down.